anyone there? Oh, I can't wait. Like a good neighbor, stay.
Cut. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Yeah. We're still rolling? What?
We're still rolling?
Whatever.
Oh, glad we cleared everything up. Now let's start this. Like a good neighbor, stay from.
No, that's copyright. No, that's not allowed.
Then what am I supposed to say?
Well, what you're supposed to say is State Farm, and then what you want. It works.
Let me give it a try. Stay firm! Give me a pool.
Ooh, sorry, we don't have that. Ask again!
Okay.
Oh, no.
2 hours later.
Steak farm. Can I have a tuna sandwich?
Let me check. Hi, yeah. Can we have a tuna sandwich? Okay, I'll let her know. Okay, bye. Yeah, we're all out of tuna. Why does everybody leave me? Was that good? Okay. Cut! That's a wrap, everyone! Lunch!
Tuna sandwich, here I come.
Me too!
It's over here.
Oh.
HastaLaByeBye.
All right, let me click stop.
Or should I do this?
Do this. Okay. And they'll be like a good neighbor. Like a good neighbor, stay firm.
Guys, go check out Miss Cupcake 47's channel. She helped us a lot out in this, and it's going to be down below in the description box. And hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.